What's going on YouTube? It's myself, dampz Plays, and we're back with another video, and this is a bad boy processor that I picked up from CEX while I was shopping around in the city centre today, and I wouldn't believe it, I've came across with this brand new thing. It hasn't been opened, it's sealed, and looks like someone's bought it and sold it on already as they brought the wrong processor, I guess. Anyway, so I was quite happy to get a bargain on this for 145 UK pounds, so I'm more than happy with this thing. And obviously I will do an unboxing of the Gigabyte motherboard, which I will be getting soon anyway, guys. So it's more than enough for what I needed it to do. So mainly for music production, like loading more effects and plugins while I'm making tracks. And let's see the specs on this. So you got 4.2 gigahertz max boost, 3.6 gigahertz base, discrete graphics card required. So I will be using my MSI R7 370s on this thing, which will work fine anyway because I've got them graphics card from back in 2015, so they should work fine, by the way. And this box includes the AMD Ryzen processor, high performance, very thermal solution, and installation instructions. That's about it. And then there's the CPU itself, and I like how it's presented nicely in the box. So this was the cheapest I can get it. Let's just talk right into this then. So this was a bit hard to open. Okay, right, that's it. God, it's so difficult to get into it. Just hold on a sec, guys. Right, don't want to destroy the box. So this is the cooler itself. Oh wow, look at it. My God, it's quite heavy as well. Okay, I think the design of it is quite cool, so I will be using this. I don't know if this has got an LED on it or not. Don't want to touch the bottom of this. No, I don't think it's got it, so I don't think I'm going to use it. So I'm a little bit disappointed that it hasn't got any like RGB lights on it, but I will be using the Noctua D14. Okay, which way did it go in? Because I could not remember. I think it went in this way. Right, I'm gonna have to sort that out when I dig. Aha, there we go. Right, thought I was just gonna get this wrong. So the design of the cooler is pretty neat as well. Okay, yeah, but I can tell it's brand new, so I was quite happy to take it. And then in here, oh God, I've just got to be careful with this because I'm very good at dropping stuff. Right, what's this one? Important, please read. AMD Ryzen desktop 300 series processor contained in this package with all. It's all compatible with 500 series motherboards and is compatible with 400 when a compatible BIOS update is being installed. Okay, right then, it's all in different languages. And then we've got the, what's this? Oh my God, it actually smells new as well. Brilliant. Just couldn't get the fact I still got a bargain on this, and this is the actual CPU itself. So I'm not gonna open this. And then we got the official sticker there. That, even looking at that, this is a bit of a struggle to open. So I'm just gonna leave it when I do eventually install it, guys, and I will run some benchmarks later on the channel. So most of the time I just post like gaming stuff or anything that's tech related. I tend to do some Let's Plays whenever I can. So if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Peace out. Dampz Plays are out.